Good day, guys. So here is a complete video of how you're going to be trading futures using Bybit. Okay, so when you log into your Bybit, it's going to get you to the home page. Where are we going to be looking? We're looking at this tab beneath your Bybit. Okay, as you can see, we have home, market, trade, earn, and assets. So trading on futures, if you want to trade on Bybit using futures, all you need to do is to come and click trade. When you click trade, if you look at this tab that is up here, you're going to see different trading options for you to trade, where we have sports, futures, options, CFD, alpha. So like we said, the type of trade that you're going to be taking is what? Futures. Okay, futures. Right, so if your own is not on futures, maybe your own is on sports, your own is showing sport like this, kindly tap on futures. Okay, so it's going to take you to futures. Now there are things you have to set on futures. Okay, we don't normally use cross, we use isolated. So change it to what? Isolated. As you can see, it has successfully changed to isolated. And then we have the leverage. This one is the leverage, the 10x leverage. If you want to use 100 times leverage, 50 times leverage, 25 times leverage, you can use. And the best leverage to be using is what? 10x. All right, so 10x is there. Now some questions, one more question that you may be asking. Let's say for instance, the particular instrument or the particular pair you want to trade with, because here it's showing BTC, but maybe it's not BTC you want to trade at that particular time. All you need to do is to come and tap on this arrow. It's going to carry you to where there are different pairs. As you can see, there are a lot of pairs. This particular one is crypto. Okay, it's crypto. Make sure it is under USDT. Okay, make sure it's under USDT. If it's not on USDT, kindly click on USDT so that it will take you to USDT. All right, so for instance, let's say we're asked to trade IBM stock. All you just need to do is to write IBM, and as you can see, IBM has come out. Now one thing you have to take note is that futures, the name of future pair is USDT perpetual. Now let me say for instance you're searching a coin, because sometimes it happens like that. During your search you may not follow throughout the process, or maybe probably you followed through the process and then you ended up seeing the same pair but different result that is coming out. Like for instance, you see BTC USDT, you see USDT, you see BTC USD, you see USDT perpetual. So if you want to trade on futures, the name is what? Perpetual. Alright, so instead of selecting like different pairs, as you can see, they have different pairs. It's under, like for commodity we have gold, we have oil, we have silver. So instead of doing that, just remain on the oil so that you don't confuse yourself, and just go straight to search for the name of the coin. So let's say for instance we want to trade oil. The name of oil is CUUSD. Okay, as you can see, look at we have different results. This one now is under spot. Like I said, this one is USDT perpetual. So we are looking at this guy here, so we click on it. As you can see, that BTC has changed, and then you just go ahead to fill in the details. But of course, on the VIP, you're not giving limits. There's nothing like limits. You're not setting any limit. So let's just scrap limits. We'll just go and change it to market. Market means when they say buy now or sell now, that's instant selling, like you're selling right now. So we put it on market. When we're talking about quantity, instead of using quantity, let us use USDT. That is, when we're talking about quantity of the pair, it's talking about the price of the pair, but that's a little bit confusing. So what is going to help you to understand it better is when you use USDT instead. So we are going to be looking at this box. Okay, look at the cost. Please fix your eyes on the cost and leave quantity. All you just want to do is toggle this. Okay, all we just want to do is toggle it. Say for instance, if we have money on this our account, it should be reflecting here. And once you're toggling, as you can see, we can see 22%, 50%, 78%, 100%. 100% means the total money that is in your account, and it's going to be, the cost is going to be reflecting here. What you want to do is to fix your eyes on the cost, because the cost is the main money you want to be risking in the market. So you can choose all your money, you can choose 50% of the money or any amount of risks that you know that you want to take. Fix your eyes on the cost and forget about this quantity. So when you do this, the quantity is going to be roaming about by itself. Okay, so you don't have any issue thinking about, okay, trying to calculate what quantity that I want. Your eyes should just be on the your own money you get, and that is sorted. So when you're done, you see this TP and SL, you click on that box. That is where you're going to be setting your take profit and your loss. All right, so you come here, you put the amount of take profit, let's say 80. You know it's always buy, so let's say 80.00. Stop loss is what, 79? No, stop loss 78 for instance, was 78.00. Okay, then you just go here and long. So once you're done, you click long. If you sell, you click sell, but of course we are not doing sales, we are always focused on buy. So just click long, and once you click long, your contract will be sent, and then where are you going to see your position? You're going to see your positions here. This is where it's going to be reading. You're going to see the data here. They are going to be reading here. So that's all for knowing how to properly set your positions using futures trading.